The clock is ticking. Understanding 5-minute warning. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, classrooms, or even during meetings: 5-minute warning. This expression is more than just a countdown. It's a cultural and contextual signal that carries a lot of meaning. Stick around as we explore the significance, use, and nuances of this phrase, making it clear and easy to understand for English language learners. 5-minute warning is a phrase used to indicate that there are only 5 minutes left before a particular event begins or a deadline is reached. It's a heads-up or alert to prepare individuals for what's coming next. Whether it's the end of a break, the start of a meeting, or the closing of a submission window. This phrase helps manage time and expectations, ensuring everyone is on the same page. This versatile phrase finds its place in various contexts. In education, teachers may give a 5-minute warning before class ends, signaling students to wrap up their work. In professional settings, it could precede the start of a meeting, giving attendees a heads-up to conclude their small talk. In everyday life, you might hear it at a public event or even at home, as a reminder to get ready to leave or finish a task. Understanding the setting can help determine the phrase's urgency and how one should respond. The appropriate response to a 5-minute warning involves quickly finishing up whatever you're doing and preparing for the next step. It's a prompt to conclude conversations or activities, gather your belongings or materials, mentally prepare for the upcoming event or task. It's not just about the literal 5 minutes, it's about respect for others' time and the schedule at hand. While the phrase is straightforward, its cultural implications can vary. In some cultures, a 5-minute warning is taken very seriously, with the expectation of prompt action. In others, it might be more of a gentle reminder, with a bit of flexibility on the actual timing. Understanding the cultural context is key to interpreting and responding appropriately to a 5-minute warning. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the 5-minute warning phrase. It's a simple yet powerful reminder to be mindful of time and transitions in our daily activities. Whether you're studying, working, or just going about your day, respecting these warnings can help keep things running smoothly. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you'll tune in for more insights into the fascinating world of language. Happy learning, and see you next time!